Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Danielle here. Before we get started, I just want to thank you guys so much for entering the giveaway. We have nearly 400 submissions. That's freaking crazy. So stay tuned for Saturday's video because that's when I'll be announcing the winner. But let's get to today's video, which is another unboxing of a mystery bundle. But this time it's from Los Angeles Apparel. You guys, I know this is a very controversial company, but there's just something about the clothes that I'm so freaking attracted to. It's super simple, very minimalistic, but the construction of the actual garments I think are so well crafted, and you can tell that they're just really good quality, although it is super freaking expensive. I also really like the models too, just because they look kind of like barefaced, like they don't wear a lot of makeup, and if they do, it's very minimal, and so they just look really relatable and genuine, so I'm all for that. But not only that, they have a manufacturing house here in Los Angeles, and a lot of my friends' parents actually work there, so I love that they're hiring a lot of Latinos and my people. So let's get into the controversial part of Los Angeles Apparel, which is actually their owner, Dov Sharney. He's just like a weird dude. Really, I mean, I don't know him personally, but just based off media and articles that I've read, he has like a handful of sexual lawsuits filed against him. There was like one incident in particular that really stood out to me, and I don't want to get demonetized, but pretty much he did inappropriate things to himself in front of a female interviewer, and I'm just like, what the hell is wrong with this guy? Like, he's just honestly has a very bad reputation. But I hate to say it because I praise him for knowing about business, manufacturing. I think he was really ahead of his time when it came to sustainability and him advocating for that. But nah, he still gives like mad creepy vibes. But let's get back to these mystery bundles. But pretty much I received an email from them. They now have mystery bundles. So I was like, oh yes, this is up my alley. They offer two kinds for both men and women. They have one with 5 shirts and another with 10 shirts. And so the 10 pack is $135. And I was like, oh my gosh, that is like a little bit too much money for just t-shirts. So I was like, okay, I'll play it safe, I'll get the 5 pack. But even that is $75. So I was like, am I really gonna spend $75 on t-shirts that I'm pretty sure, I'm really hoping not, but I'm pretty sure just gonna be like classic crew neck t-shirts. But my curiosity got the best of me, so here we are. So if we break that up, $75, 5 shirts, they're $15 each. But let me take you onto their website right now. Let's just browse their t-shirts and kind of get an idea of what they might be including in this bundle. But you know, immediately I see a denim t-shirt. That would be pretty cool to be included. A lot of crew necks, v-necks. I really like the silhouettes that have some sort of like mock neck or turtleneck, or this one here that has like elbow length sleeves I'm really into, or like this heavy fleece. You know, it's not your traditional just crew neck with short sleeves. Overall, their style is very, like I said, simple, minimalistic, clean and sleek. So it's now time to open up this bundle. My hopes are not very high just because this is a very small package, but you know what? You can also fold shirts very flat, so we shall see. So let's get this open. Let's talk about packaging. It's honestly just a poly mailer with the label on the front and not much to it. That's all it is. So let's get this open. Ooh, I think I saw a good color. I'll give you guys the first little peek. Okay. Right off the bat, I'm loving this color. I think it's perfect for the season. And then it comes in another little package there. Did I see pink? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, just another receipt there. Yes. Oh no, did we get white? Okay, let's just open this up. Oh, why? They look like they're all crew necks. Okay, let's just pull these out. Oh, I already saw these colors. Okay, the first one is this one here. Oh, maybe I should have mentioned, I've never owned a crew neck t-shirt from American Apparel or Los Angeles Apparel before, so I'm not really sure what to expect. My expectations were just like good quality and thick, and right off the bat, I am getting it from this shirt. This crew neck, like the ribbing to it, it's very big. I actually really like that. But this color, I'm really liking. I love how subtle it is. And let me just read the tag off of here. It says it's a size extra small. It's a shrink-free 8.5 ounce shirt. It has a custom garment dye. What I love about the tag is that it says, meet Gabriella. She's an expert sewer with 38 years of experience. You can find her dancing away to salsa music at the Granada, LA, and Alhambra. That's Los Angeles. Oh, okay, you guys, I actually really like that. Did Gabriella make this shirt? Because if she did, that's so freaking awesome. But I love that they're giving recognition and praise to their seamstresses. Up next is this neutral colored shirt here. I thought it was white, but it's more of a like asphalt concrete type color. And this one is different construction than this one. You can tell that this one is a bit more stretchy. And who made this? It says, meet Diego. He loves his enchiladas and mama and the Dodgers. Diego's my kind of guy. You know, I'm not a fan of this color, but we'll make it work. Honestly, it looks kind of cute with the skirt that I have on now. But this one does seem to be a little bit more breathable and wearable than the first one. And then we have another green color here. It's pretty similar to this one here, just, you know, different color of green. And this one again is that stretchy material that is a bit more breathable, only this one isn't as see-through as the second one that we have here. And then Diego again made this. Okay, super cool. But again, still crew neck, short sleeves, a little bit more fitted too. And then we ran into a pink one. Okay, this is kind of too obnoxious of a pink, but I'm here for it. I could do a hot pink, that's super cute. This one is thicker, all different knit constructions. I really wish you guys can feel it through the camera because I would consider this one to have more of like a medium thickness. We already saw like a super thick one, a very like light stretchy one, and then this is just somewhere right in the middle. I also like that these could be really good DIY projects too. Like, I've been wanting to bleach a few pieces on my own, so maybe I can try that out with this pink one. Maybe put some patches or crop it. Yes, good DIY projects. Ooh, our last one. Yay, this is different. We have a baseball tee, super fun. Okay, we have like this maroon burgundy color for the sleeves, and this is 50-50 poly cotton. Who made you? Gabriella again, sweet. Not sure if you guys can tell through the screen, but the bodice here is kind of sheer and see-through. Can you see my hand through it? So it's very lightweight. Again, another breathable piece, and it seems to be a little bit longer. Okay guys, we have them all unboxed. I'm kind of happy that one of them wasn't like a short sleeve, but let's get them tried on now. Here we have another muted color. If only Los Angeles Apparel knew that I was a girl of color. But you know what, it's okay. I feel like I see this color a lot on Instagram where girls just look super classy and elegant and then they pair it with like some sort of gold jewelry and it looks super cute. But again, this silhouette is pretty similar to the other ones that I just showed you. The only thing that it really is different is like the thickness of the fabric. Something that I'm absolutely loving is that the t-shirts aren't that long either. So you can easily tuck them into any sort of bottoms and you don't get that like really weird like scrunchy nub that just makes your body look like super uneven. So really appreciate that. Yes, love how it fits though. We are introducing some color now. This one, not gonna lie, is my favorite out of all of them just because obviously it's my favorite color. It's a little on the obnoxious side, but you know what? I'll take it. Plus, it pairs so nicely with these shorts that Arthur got me for my birthday. So absolutely love it. This one does have a more of an oversized fit. So as far as styling, definitely have to go more of the like waist cinching route. So how to do these elasticized shorts. Oh yeah, super cute. Here we have the first shirt. Not gonna lie, this color's a little boring. It was kind of hard to like figure out what to pair it with because it's so dull, you know? But overall, I like the cut of it. Like, I love how it fits. I love that the short sleeves aren't like so overbearing and super oversized. So I mean, for a really easy fit of just like a skirt or some like distressed jeans, you're ready to go. This t-shirt just screams comfy and relaxed. It's super baggy too, so it only made sense to pair it with some baggy jeans here, finishing it off with some white sneakers. Oh yeah, I think it would look super cute. And this one here is the thickest out of all of them, so definitely won't be styling with layers anytime soon in this LA heat. This color is actually really growing on me because I was going through my closet and I was like, I really don't have any other pieces that match this. So I love how unique it is, but I do feel like it needs to be bleached, tie-dyed. It needs some sort of graphic because it does look a little empty. But overall, still like the fit. Let's move on to our last t-shirt. Here is the last shirt, and they surprised me with a baseball tee, which I'm super stoked about. I love that it doesn't fit like super fitted or too oversized, but it is the thinnest out of all of them. I was wearing a black bra and I was like, oh no, gotta change over into a beige one because you could see right through it. The color is all right. I mean, it makes sense because I feel like this maroon burgundy color people associate with like fall and winter, but imagine if it were like a pink or a little pastel blue. That would have been so freaking adorable. Guys, that pretty much does it for unboxing a Los Angeles Apparel mystery bundle. You know, I'm not like too ecstatic and I'm also not like super disappointed, but I definitely think this box is made more for that t-shirt lover. For me, t-shirts are easily attainable through just thrifting and getting them at like $5 a piece. These prices, you know, if Los Angeles Apparel does follow this business model that provides fair US wages and sustainable practices and eco-friendly washes and dyes like they state, then yes, I do think it's pretty worth it. Dov Shardi's just a very creepy, controversial guy. So you know what, just do your research, form your own opinion based off your moral compass. But I'm happy that I at least got to try it. I got it out of my system. My favorite was definitely the pink one just because it was like the pop of color. Pink is my favorite. And then these three here kind of have similar colors, so I wish they were a little bit more versatile, but you know, at least the cuts and the fits of them are a little bit different. If you want to get a bundle for yourself, I'll leave a link down below, and if you do get one, after you receive it, let me know what colors you get because I'm super interested. But really, again, it's up to you whether you want to support them or not support them. As always, I post videos twice a week. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!